5 things you can do with ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT for information. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast array of topics and can provide you with information on almost anything. You can ask ChatGPT questions like what is the capital of France? Or how do I fix a leaky faucet? And it will try to give you the most accurate answer possible based on its training. Get creative inspiration from ChatGPT. If you're stuck on a creative project, ChatGPT can help spark your imagination. You can ask it for ideas on anything from plot twists in a story to color schemes for a room. Just tell ChatGPT what you're working on and see what it comes up with. Play games with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can play games with you like trivia or word games. You can challenge it to a game and see who comes out on top. Practice language learning with ChatGPT. If you're learning a new language, ChatGPT can help you practice. You can ask it to translate phrases for you, or even have a conversation with it in the language you're learning to practice your skills. Have a conversation with ChatGPT. Finally, you can just have a conversation with ChatGPT. Sometimes it can be fun to see what kind of responses it comes up with. You can ask it about its favorite movie or what it thinks of a certain topic, and see where the conversation takes you. Of course, these are just a few of the many things you can do with ChatGPT. Feel free to experiment and see what else you can come up with.